In this video, I will guide you on how to create a Pinterest story pin. Before we begin, story pins have been officially renamed and integrated into idea pins. Now launch open the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. From here, select the option of pin. Now go ahead and select the pictures that you want to add. Select up to 20 images or videos from the camera roll, then tap on next at the top of your screen. Now you can do some editing over here. You can change the size, you can add text, stickers, draw or add colors, then tap on the next option. On the next page, add title, then description, then link. Now pick a board, you can add tag topics, tag products and make sure you've entered all of these details. You can also pick a cover at the top. Once you've entered everything, tap on the create option. Now wait for some time until this gets posted. In this way, you can easily create Pinterest story pins. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.